commitment-free / renter-friendly DIYs. Hi guys, I'm Alexandra and welcome to my home here in Canada. As a renter myself, I love doing commitment-free / renter-friendly DIYs. I love them so much that I've even started sharing them on my own YouTube channel. So when I bought this IKEA couch, I loved it. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's always been my dream to have like a mauve and or pink velvet couch. A lot of them are really, really expensive. Bems is a company that makes custom covers for almost any IKEA sofa. And instead of going out and buying a whole new couch, you can just buy custom covers to change it up whenever you want. They sent me this gorgeous mauve cover, and you literally just put the cover over each piece, and there's Velcro that sticks to make it secure. There's also a company that does really cool legs called Pretty Pegs. Just such an easy way to change up your furniture. They actually gifted me these mid-century modern wood legs. What a difference, what a game changer. I literally now have a velvet mid-century modern couch. We've all heard of peel and stick tiles, but have you heard of peel and stick flooring? I completely transformed my rental bathroom's floor that literally looked like it belonged in a gym changing room with simple peel and stick tiles. Now this is a panel of tile. Usually they also sell the single big tiles that you just put over the ceramic and not the grout. But because I'm working with teeny tiny little squares, I'm covering the grout. Basically like a big sheet of wallpaper that you lie on the floor, you cut around your toilet and your sink, and you have a brand new floor. Get the look of wallpaper without the commitment by creating your own wallpaper using paint. What you'll need for this next DIY is a level, a pencil. So I'm doing 2 lines in each little cluster. And for the first couple, I measured out the distance between the lines just so they looked somewhat consistent. But as I went on, I found that I didn't really need to measure. I just kind of eyeballed it. It's a really good idea to use pencil first. Okay, so my pencil lines are all drawn in. And I'm just going in with a foam brush. I like these because they have a really like clean, just straight line. Whew. I love it. You can customize your refrigerator with peel and stick wallpaper. A tip before you apply is to remove your refrigerator hardware so you have a clean canvas to work with. I find that a busier pattern is easier to install because you don't have to line anything up. And if you have to use 2 panels, the seam is really easy to hide if there's a busy pattern to distract from it. My closet is also a reversible space. So when I no longer need to work from home, I simply uninstall the desk, and just like that, it's a regular closet again.